This is like a rotator cuff sliding knot. You have to be able to create sliding knots so they don't lock prematurely. Okay, so number one, you have to have a post. That's the post. And you see how this knot slides in the post? See how it slides in the post? So once you hold the post like this, tight, then you can drop another half hitch. And then you slide it. Okay, so we slide, and you see how nice and tight? So you have to slide it that, there you go, see? And now take a look over here. See nice and tight it is? So the key though is keeping the post, and then, watch what I'm doing. I'm still sliding it down, but the key is keeping the post tight, and then tying another half hitch, sliding it down the post, pushing it down, and it'll still, watch, you can still slide it down. And then after you do that, then you just lock it down. And that's how we do rotator cuff repair, just like that. Just like that. That's how you do it. You can practice this holiday season on your primary.
That was too short.